Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, quickly you open your book, page number 162. Dear student, look, today our topic is Chapter 10, Theorem 2. Our lecture number 11, number of SW10. Okay, let's start the class. Look, Theorem 2, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Suppose AB and CD are the equal chords. Okay, you know what is chords? Any line segment joining any 2 points of a circle is called chord. You know it. Look, O is the center. Okay, in a circle whose position is fixed within it, this is called center. Okay, at first we write let AB and CD are equal chords. Okay, let AB and CD are equal chords. It is to be proved that the chords AB and CD look, it is to be proved that the chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center O. Okay, look, O is the center. Now construction. Now we draw, look, we draw in a perpendicular OE. We draw a perpendicular OE on AB. Similarly, we draw a perpendicular OF on CD and OE on AB. Okay. Now join OA. Okay, that means we draw a perpendicular OE and OF. We draw a perpendicular OE and OF on AB and CD respectively. Okay. Also join OA and OC. Dear student, hope you understood. We draw a perpendicular OE. We draw a perpendicular OE on AB. Yes, and OF on CD. Also join OA and OC. Okay, this is O. Now prove. Dear student, look, we have drawn OE perpendicular on AB. That means OE perpendicular AB and OF perpendicular CD. Okay, that means AE equal to BE. Look here, AE and BE are equal because AE is the middle point. A is the middle point. As a result, AE equal to BD. Moreover, we draw a perpendicular OE. That means this perpendicular bisect AB equal to AE and BE. That means we can write AE equal to BE. Okay, that means we say AE equal to half of AB. Okay, similarly write here. As OF is the perpendicular, so CF and DF are the equal. That means we can write CF equal to DF. CF equal to DF. Therefore, similarly we can write CF. You see, CF equal to half of CD. Half of CD. Okay. Now again look, given that AB and CD equal, because you see equal chords, that means here given the two chords are equal, that means AB chords and CD chords are equal. Okay, therefore we can write AB equal to CD, or if we multiply both this side by half, then we get 1 by 2 AB equal to 1 by 2 CD. Okay, therefore you see half AB, that means what? AE, right? AE equal to half CD means what? Half CD means CF, right here, CF. I hope you understood. That means we proved already that OE equal to CF. Okay, dear student, hope you understood. Can I erase this? Now, look, as you draw a perpendicular OE on AB, yes, therefore we can write AOE, and look, we have drawn a perpendicular OF, that means we can say COF. Look, COF. Both are right angle triangle. Okay, therefore we write triangle AOB and triangle COF are right angle triangle. Right angled triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. Now look, between these two triangles AOE and COF, look, AE equal to what? AE equal to CF. okay, which I have shown you. AE equal to CF. Okay, now write AE equal to CF. Then hypotenuse OA equal to hypotenuse OC. Okay, look, in a right triangle, one side equal and the hypotenuse are equal. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles, that means AOE and COF, they are the congruent. Okay, right? Therefore, we can write triangle AOE congruent like this way, and triangle COF are congruent. Okay, as the two triangles are congruent, therefore we can say OE equal to OF. Okay, dear student, hope you understood. Now can I erase? Look, that means we prove that OE equal to OF, but OE, right, but OE and OF are the equal distances, but OE and OF are the equal distances from the center O to, but OE and OF are the equal distances from the center O to the two chords AB and CD. Look, but OE and OF are the equal distances from the center O to the chords AB and CD. Okay, therefore we can say, hence, right, therefore we can say that the two equal chords, AB and CD. Look, therefore we can say that the two equal chords AB and CD are equidistant. AQUI distant from the center O. Okay, this is our proved. Okay, now dear student, now write HW number 10, Theorem 2, Chapter 10. Okay, page number 162. Dear student, look, your SW number is 10. Theorem 2, Chapter 10, page number 162. Dear student, hope you understood my discussion. Okay, if you face any problem, you knock me with the phone number or any messenger. Dear student, hope you understood. Just remember that your SI SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, daily marks and SBA marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. this school library, and you have to collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, no more today. See you again in another topics and another chapter. Allah Hafiz.